to the United Liberation Movement for West Papua.
Thank you, dear Excellency, Madam Chair. I am John Anari. I am the ambassador of the United Nations Liberation Movement for West Papua. West Papua is under the United Nations Resolution 448 that set up West Papua as non-self-governing territory. So this is the obligation of the United Nations for granted independence for all non-self-governing territory, including West Papua. But the natural resources of the freeport mining from United States make my people suffering. Under the rule of the 7 of the 1995 Strategic Council rule of the procedure, please will you ask the Secretary General and others to place the issue of West Papua, the issue of the General Assembly Resolution 1752 on the agenda of the Strategic Council. 56 years ago, the General Assembly...
I'm so sorry to interrupt you, but we're focused on the selection criteria for participation here, and you've been heard. Could you make a comment, please, about the selection criteria?
Yes, I continue. 56 years ago, the General Assembly authorized foreign occupation of West Papua, but didn't put the issue of the authorization on the agenda of the Trusteeship Council. And so, for 56 years, the Council has been unable to commence the yearly report to the General Assembly about the progress of West Papua and its indigenous population. Our indigenous right to life, liberty...
I'm so sorry, just because we're so limited on this particular topic. I will give the floor now to the Yatana from Nicaragua. If you could be very brief, please. Thank you.